isang telecom company. Kaapat na beses ni Grace dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi siya magsasawang bisitahin ang kanyang Filipino fans.
I continue to come back. I love the energy here in the Philippines, and I love the people, and I just always have a fun time here.
Itong Sabado lang dumating si Grayson sa Pilipinas at balak daw niyang bumisita muli sa isang taon. Sana raw muli siya makapag-concert sa bansa kahit abala si Grayson sa tours at shows. Wish daw niyang makapagbakasyon at malibot ang iba't ibang isla sa Pilipinas. Favorite Filipino snack daw niya, dried mango.
I've heard the beaches are beautiful. I'd love to go check them out one day.
At dahil YouTube sensation si Grayson, may advice siya sa young Filipino talent na pangarap ding maging singer.
Keep on doing what they're doing, and to continue and to just not let anybody bring you down, because a lot of people can bring you down in this industry, but it's important to just trudge on through and keep on performing. Mahal ko kayo, kapusa.
Maliban kay Grayson, president sa launch party ang mga stars tulad na Michael V, ang magkapatid na Phil at James Young husband at Alvo Magalona. Katatibayan updated sa showbiz happening.